What's up, guys? Jason here, JDavenport Photography. I don't know what to do with my hands. Hello? Hello? We got a whole shit gob of rain going on. So this is low light mode on the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm a little under the weather today, you know, typical after the holidays sinus crud. But this is the low light mode on the old Osmo. I have the blade arm suction cup to the inside of my passenger window for this. Just trying stuff out. Kind of fun. We got about 15 minutes till we get to the job site. Those guys are supposed to be there at 7:30. I'll be there about 5 after 7, like normal, because I was always, so when I was a kid working with my dad, if the crummy was already there when you got there, then you were late. So I try and run my business off of that, and sometimes I am late, but I think everyone's late sometimes. I don't know. Try not to be late. Riverside Grocery. I don't remember what this town's called, so never mind. Okay, so I either found it or I'm just following a farmer into his field. I'll know in a couple seconds. It's always fun. I'll put these nerd glasses away. Also, fit check today. Got the old trustworthy hard hat. Whoop. Dog just ate shit. The old insulated shitter. And then we got the dry shots. The old dry shots. Muck boots. That's what's up. That's what's up. Well, the rain has stopped for a minute, so see if we can't fly. Flew a little bit earlier, but it was kind of gross out. So we'll see what we can do. There was moo cows out here a minute ago. Well, probably 45 minutes ago. Did some four-wheeling in the old Raptor to get up here this morning. I need to get some more Dayquil in my system. Okay, here we go. It's much brighter now than it was. So I think I need a VND. Just run her up to F8.
Max altitude reached.
Okay. Drives me nuts how long it takes for this to find GPS satellites. It's fine. It's fine.
Max altitude reached.
It's fine, drone. Just work on your time here. Photo. Oh, 7 satellites. Hot dog. So it looks like active track works pretty good on the old Osmo, which is nice. I wish it worked on drones for heavy equipment and big rigs. Like it, active track, in my experience with the drone, won't track a log truck or a lowboy. Oh, it says I need a firmware update. Not right now, homie. Go fly. Some of that high quality H2O. Bobby Boucher would be proud of this. Crystal Cascade. $1.19.
Now that's what I call high quality H2O.
There's a moo cow. Found one. Probably won't be able to see it on this. They're over there. Home point updated already. Hot dog. Alright, I gotta go. There is the blade arm. Oh yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Anyways, I got the Jackery in here today. I bought it for fire season. And it's been working good. Been charging drone batteries on it all morning. The pickup doesn't have to run. Look at that. Hot dog. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, we are heading out of this cow pasture. Better put my seatbelt on before it ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-dings. Safety first. Oh, there's a stump. Okay. Alright. I'm not even going to turn this mic on it again because I can't breathe very good today. I don't want you guys to have to listen to me going. I think I'm going to scratch my truck right here, which makes me sad. Swipe. Oof, don't love that. Oh shit, there's cows in the road. And that's a soft spot. Okay. Well. Move out of the way, moo-moos. Good, moo cow. Thank you. This is a narrow spot right here. Coming through the fence. 8.5 foot gate or something right there. Oh, there's definitely a limb right here that I hit this morning. Okay. So it turns out a good friend of mine, Joel, who I do quite a bit of work for and kind of grew up together, he's got a buddy who is a Lane County Sheriff. He's getting promoted, and we surprised him with a couple of portraits today, and it's pretty cool. It's kind of neat to be a part of. I'm not going to show you that in the video, but wound up here above by Cougar Reservoir, and the weather actually cooperated for like 10 whole minutes. And we got some really cool portraits with the drone actually looking down on the guy, the reservoir in the background. I'll grab another gear here, but yeah, pretty excited. Those are going to be awesome. I guess Joel's known him like forever, so be a nice little gift from him. Yeah, it's always fun to be a part of this kind of stuff. Like, I do prefer shooting heavy equipment, because it's easy. I wouldn't say it's easy, but anytime you can make somebody's day with some portraits, it's worth it. We're just coming down off the reservoir here. Got her in third gear. It's foggy now. It's been raining for like, I don't know. It's really been raining for probably like 6 days straight. And not like a little, like a lot. So every little stream up here coming off the hill, it's just this rushing river. We'll see if we can pull up next to this next one and get a picture of it. Well, not a picture of it. I don't like shooting landscapes either. We'll see if it'll show up in the video. I gotta give it to landscape photographers though. Those guys, they wait for days for the perfect weather and stuff. It's pretty cool. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna be too high up there. Yeah, it's right there. You can kind of see it. But everything up here is just rushing like crazy. And here's another one. Pretty cool. Everything's burnt from the holiday farm fire. Yeah, I think this was holiday farm fire. But yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Whatever you want to see, let me know. Shoot me a message on Instagram or drop it in the comments section. I'm going to try and start doing more of this stuff. I have some clients that it's totally fine to do with, and I think people will enjoy it, kind of seeing the behind the scenes of how this stuff works, or at least seeing my day. So yeah, peace.